One instructional tool that I found referenced was Science360 that was prepared by an NSF grant, and it teaches various science topics. And I think this is the purpose of this could be to teach really probably 5th grade, where you're learning about the different moons and planets and solar systems. It could be 4th grade as well, all the way up to high school, depending on how you applied it. It is already really created for you. This series of YouTube videos, particularly tailored towards science and teaching, is shown here. We can go through one, the truth about an asteroid strike. They're pretty short videos. This one's almost 4 minutes and gives a short tutorial by a teacher. I'll pause that here, but there's various science topics here that are already pre-prepared that could be assigned to students. I think the ISTE standards for this is to support educators by using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social, emotional needs of students. And also, I believe it's 5D that talks about teachers also learning, continuing to learn, so that they can teach others. And I've referenced that in my write-up that's on the post. So I found these very interesting. I'm kind of a science geek, so I probably would. It's not a program where you can make your own videos, but it is a useful set of videos that can be used in teaching. Thank you.